Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So, my grandma is driving while I'm sitting at the back seat. Well, I'm going to Rallyton. Rallyton is the big school, and I'm going to it now, and I'm going to be with big children. And I'm going to find out their name and figure out what the country them is. And it will be fun at the Rallyton Primary. It's going to be fun, but and I'm going to summer school. I'm going to summer school, but that will be for late. That will be for later, tomorrow. The summer school will be okay. But guys, today, guys, I'm going to today vlog. I go. Today vlog is time for me to shine, but I'm gonna go to a different school where it's gonna be side of my Baba. Okay, guys. And I'm gonna bring you with me. Ha 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 ha. And see those little teeth? See those ones there? Those are gross out. They can't eat any more sweets. Those sweets, they can eat some sweets. When they turn black, that means they're cavities. And the way to get out cavities is to brush your teeth. But guys, I will be not editing the video when I go in the video when we reach at the school. But the school will be the important one. The school will have fun things to do at work and good things to do and all of that. First, we're going on the primary. Rallyton Primary is the primary. Yes, we are going to be the dragon in the one dragon. Hey, we are going to beat the dragon. The dragon. The dragon. We are going to beat the dragon. The dragon. Be the ender dragon. Beat 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 the ender dragon. We're gonna beat the ender dragon. the garden. I play Minecraft in Minecraft. And I'm in the 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 Minecraft. Grandma, Grandma, do we at the school yet? Guys, we are almost at the school. Yay, yay, yay. Guys, we are almost at the school. So guys, this is going to be little bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. Bumpy, bumpy. Yeah. Bumpy, bumpy. 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 Yeah, yeah. Bumpy, bumpy.